right, had a couple days for my camera to dry out. I wanted to give it some extra time so that it didn't ruin it. Everything seems to be okay, a few water spots on the lens, but I'll probably get it serviced eventually. We drove to the Grand Canyon here with that same group of friends. Right now we're gonna go, or Grand Canyon area, right now we're gonna go actually to the park and gonna have a beer and then gonna go watch sunset over the Grand Canyon. Super stoked. Gonna be
a glass of Pinot Noir.
Pinot Noir. What are you getting?
Same.
Pinot Noir.
The Mother Road Tower Station.
Me too. All right, Sarah here has never seen the Grand Canyon. She's running for it.
Hurry!
First timer. First timer.
We got the paparazzi here.
It's your first time. It's Grand Canyon. Oh my God, there it is. Be careful, don't run over the edge. Don't run over the edge.
6 a.m. start time. Headed to do Bright Angel Trail. There's a bear in our camp.
Hey, what are you doing over there?
Oh, just a little vlogging. That was so ridiculous. Two dudes walking around pointing cameras at themselves.
On the camera.
A vlog button?
Like right here on your thumb, so you just press the button with your thumb.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Sarah, how you feeling?
So good.
Brian, what about you?
I'm gonna crush this thing.
Yeah. Sage, what about you?
Give me a moment.
Oh, I don't know. Here we are at Bright Angel. Well, not quite at the trailhead, but we're at the Grand Canyon, about to embark on our hike. How's it going so far?
Easy.
Tired or?
No. Exhausted.
Good work, man. I'll see you guys back at the top. we are about 5 miles down, just passed through Indian Gardens, and we've got 1.5 miles to the plateau point, which is where we are turning around. Really freaking scary. All right, now we gotta get all the way up to there-ish. Spent some good time at the plateau point, and now we are on our way back up. Wow, it looks beautiful back there. Not tired, I just needed to vlog. Looking it up the last 3, very tired. So tired. Almost there. Look, it's right there. Dude, I look so red on camera right now. It's terrible.
You are really red.
Yeah. We probably overexerted ourselves on the last 3 miles. Oh, there's Brian.
He did it.
He made it.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is... Woo woo! We made it!
You guys are blazing, man. All exercise.
Nice dirt lines.
Take a week off. A week off. Yo, I mountain biked 10 miles, 1,200 feet the other day. I'm tired.
In gravel.
In gravel.
We're on a mission to find some javelina, which is apparently a native Arizona pig.
Also, no, it's not a pig, it's a peccary.
Excuse me, say that to the
It's
camera.
a peccary, it's a different type of animal than a pig.
Peccary.
They look like pigs, that's the problem.
Peccary.
Are they at all related?
So we're just driving down the road and we ran into some javelinas. We're about to go scope this out.
I'm vlogging the vlog.
You are.
I'm BTS.
BTS.
He's
of my
TS.
vlog.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of Zeppelin Travels with Kat and Sage. Tune into the next episode as we play some Wii outside on our projector and deal with, yet again, more electrical issues. We'll see you in that one.